Number 1. Innovate a product or invent one. One of the ways you can do to earn $1 million is by innovating an existing product or inventing one. Usually, products that people don't know they want sell very well. An example of this is Jake Zian's bendable power outlet, which earned him $2 million. If what he earned already sounds like a lot, then you gotta wonder how much fidget spinners earned back then. In fact, fidget spinners sold a whole lot, making them a $500 million business, especially when the product got viral. Therefore, if you have something in mind that you think is interesting and creative that other people might want, then maybe it's a good idea to try. Number 2. Start a small business. This is a standard common suggestion to everybody who wants to earn $1 million. You won't get wrong about starting a small business.